Are you worried about the amount of time your child spends in front of a screen? As a teacher, I want to ask you a different question. Is the issue really how much time our student or child spends on a screen? Or is it what they are doing on that screen during that time? I'm Onur, a teacher at Maya Schools, and we've been discussing this question, the scenario I just presented to you, for years with our parents, teachers, and even our students. I can say this clearly. Not all screen time is created equal. If your child sits on a couch for half an hour, constantly scrolling, this shows they are a passive viewer, meaning they are on the passive consuming side. During passive screen time, your child remains inactive and gets distracted. This is always the side that takes away from our student. In other words, our student is the consumer here. So, how much screen time should there be? At this point, the screen is just a tool. What really matters is how active your child's mind and body are. That's why I don't recommend parents ban screens completely. What's important here is not how long they stay on the screen, but I want them to care about how they use this screen. Unfortunately, there is no single answer to this question. It depends on your child's age, the activity they are doing, what they do during screen time, or what problem they are solving. You should choose content that gets your child moving, thinking, and encourages them to learn. As Maya Schools, we started from exactly this need when working with children and students. We observed that our students learn better by moving. Hoppy Math was born from this very idea. Children solve math problems in front of a tablet or phone by hopping, jumping, stretching, and moving. So, they aren't just looking at a screen, they are also interacting with it. Hoppy Math was developed with feedback from our teachers. Our teachers analyzed the process and, believing it was beneficial for our students, developed this project with us along the way. So, what are we doing here? We are now using the screen more actively. I can say we've made it more beneficial and educational. As a teacher, I believe this. If a student, meaning a child, is moving, thinking, and learning, the screen doesn't have to be a problem. The screen is just a tool. What matters is for what purpose and why you use this tool. That's why, if you use the screen as the right tool, it can become an incredible teacher. You didn't hear wrong, it's exactly like that. The tool goes on an important journey with you. It can take you from one point to another, safely and securely. Dear mothers, dear fathers, Hoppy Math is now at your children's service, for your children's use. If you also want to benefit from the Hoppy Math experience and witness your children's mathematical and physical development, you can use it for free.